Here we have a 2019 19 plates Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG Premium Plus. Now do you get 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in satin black with the strip on the outer rim, which is in silver. We have the panoramic sunroof, which is currently open, the LED headlights, lots of blacked out stands, so you get the black canards on the front bumper, black window trim with your privacy glass on the rear. You also get that rear boot spoiler that makes this car stand out from the rest. Now do you have the dual exit exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, AMG and A35 badging on the rear. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if you take a look at the rear of the car, you'll be able to see the interior. As you can see, we do have the half leather and half suede throughout this vehicle with the red stitching. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver and passenger are fully heated electric and memory. Multifunction steering on this vehicle with cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side, paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode. And you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and it's covered just over 25,250 miles. Now the screen in the centre, you can see you do have the satellite navigation, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, you have front and rear parking sensor with rear reversing camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and lots of other functions there as well. Ambient lighted all over the interior of this vehicle. As you can see, there's a look at the passenger seat. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications and optional extras that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HPI Clear comes with fresh service, a new MOT and we do have competitive delivery finance. Thank you very much for watching.